Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Wholesome Living Through Food, a collaboration between yoga and you and home cooking. Today we bring together yoga, mindful cooking and nourishment with a simple, comforting recipe. This is Kodo Millet Pongal. This is a beautiful alternative to the traditional rice pongal since it's made with Kodo millet and Moong Dal. It's light on digestion, grounding for the nervous system and deeply satisfying. So let's get started. For this recipe I've taken half cup of Moong Dal. This is a 125 ml cup measurement. So I'm just going to dry roast it. Once the Moong Dal has turned to a lovely mild golden brown color and it releases this nice roasted aroma, you can turn off the stove. You can see the mild color change. I'm turning off the stove now. For the millet pongal, I've taken half cup of Kodo millet and I have soaked it for about 30 minutes. This is a 125 ml measurement cup. I've taken the millet and the dal in 1:1 ratio. So for half cup of Kodo millet, I've taken half cup of Moong Dal. Just mix the dal and the millet together. So for 1 cup of millet and dal, I've taken 4 cups of water. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Pressure cook for about 3 whistles on medium flame. After 3 whistles, I've turned off the stove. I'm just going to wait for the pressure to release. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's check on the pongal. So you can see the millets and the dal is cooked beautifully. I'm just going to leave this aside. Next, I'm going to temper a few ingredients and add it to the pongal. You can take a nice small pan like this or a tempering pan. So I'm just going to add about 4 tablespoons of ghee here. Generous amount of ghee because all the flavors in that ghee. And the pongal is not complete without ghee. So first I'm going to roast a few cashew nuts. Now cashew nuts are optional. If you don't want to add cashew nuts, you can temper without that. So keep the flame on low. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of roughly pound peppercorns. Also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next I'm adding a piece of ginger finely chopped. You can also reduce the amount of ghee that you're using for this particular pongal recipe. Turn off the stove at this point. So after turning off the stove, I'm adding a pinch of hing, that is asafoetida powder. Also add a few curry leaves. The tempered ingredients are ready. Now transfer it to the pongal and mix everything well. Our extremely delicious and super tasty millet pongal is ready to be served. This is the kind of food that supports clarity, steadiness and lightness, not just in the body but also in the mind. So I'm going to serve this the traditional way with some nice fresh coconut chutney and nice hot sambar by the side. It is a nutritious gluten-free alternative to rice, rich in antioxidants, iron and B vitamins. This Kodo Millet Pongal is best served when it's nice, fresh and warm. It supports overall wellness, bone health and immunity. Would you enjoy more yogic, Satvik recipes like this alongside your yoga practice? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this mindful cooking collaboration, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and share this recipe with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy and stay nourished.